Oh, for heaven's sakes. I had a feeling that might happen because I was banging out the 2x4s that were here earlier today. Well, oddly enough, it was working while I did that. But as usual, it was on the startup when it broke. Things usually break on startup and not just during normal operation. Now, at least this was a used bulb. It's not like this was a new bulb. And we're done vibrating the wall over here, so what we put in here now is not gonna fail again, but I think I'll put, do I have anything that's a little bit brighter? Maybe a 100 watts. I want a goofy globe. DEL. A doobly life. Yeah, that'll be fine for now. I'll put in a doobly life. This is 770 lumens. There was something goofy about this bulb to begin with. Oh, for heaven's sakes. I think this is going to be a moment of major stupidity and user error. Yep. That's what it was. Well, it's a good thing I waited to cancel out the bulb. That would have been an unfortunate waste. Okay, so we don't need this doobly life anymore. Both lives remain with the bulb. Okay, the bulb remains. Duh.